This is an SDS drill bit, and it looks very much like a standard drill bit. But key difference, as you can see, this is a standard drill bit, and this is an SDS drill bit. Key difference, okay, the size, obviously, but look at the end here. Smooth on the standard drill bit, and this cut out like this on the SDS drill bit. And that is the main difference between a standard drill bit and an SDS drill bit. The standard drill bit can fit in this, but you will need a chuck adapter for it to fit. But this one, the SDS drill bit, will not fit in a standard drill bit because this mechanism here at the end won't allow it to completely tighten and will slip under load. So that's the key difference between an SDS drill bit and a standard drill bit. And also, these are built for harder materials. So hopefully this helps you out what the difference is between a standard drill bit and an SDS drill bit. If it does, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.